Hello friends, welcome back to my another Clean Planet walk. How are you all my dear friends? I hope all are well and I am also good. And you know I am MD Aminul Islam from Tangail district of Bangladesh. Friends, today is Monday. So happy Monday from Bangladesh. Today is Monday 13 December 2021. Now morning time. This Monday morning I treat to cleaning this place. Friends, you can see behind my back a green field area. Friends, yesterday I cleaned this place. Today I again cleaned this place. Friends, I saw here is some polluted garbage, polluted plastic. So this Monday morning I again cleaning this place. I treat to remove polluted plastic and garbage from this place. তো বন্ধুরা আজকে সোমবার সকালে আমি আমাদের অঞ্চলের একটি সবুজ মাঠে এসেছি। গতকাল জায়গাটি পরিষ্কার করেছিলাম। এখানে আরও অনেক দূষিত আবর্জনা আটকে আছে ঘাসের ভিতরে। সেগুলো আমি এখন পরিষ্কার করার চেষ্টা করব। পরিষ্কারের মুহূর্তটি ভিডিওর মাধ্যমে আপনাদের সাথে শেয়ার করব। আজকে সোমবার সকালে আমি আবার এই জায়গাটি পরিষ্কার করব। তো চলুন বন্ধুরা পরিষ্কার মিশন শুরু করি। লেটস গো ফ্রেন্ড, ক্লিনিং মিশন স্টার্ট নাও। Friends, and a bag in my hand. Now I will get here and try to collect polluted plastic and garbage. Let's go, friend. Friends, first I saw here one plastic. I collected this plastic. I collected this plastic and threw in bag. Let's go. I'll get here and try to collect another garbage. Friend, I saw another big plastic here. I collected this plastic and threw in bag. আজকে ব্যাগ সাথে নিয়েই আবর্জনা কালেকশন করতেছি। another plastic here is stuck in green grass. এখানে অনেক ছোট বড় সবুজ ঘাস আছে। ঘাসের মধ্যে প্লাস্টিকগুলো আটকে থাকে, সেগুলো আমি সংগ্রহ করার চেষ্টা করতেছি। another plastic here, old plastic. Friends, this plastic really very bad for our nature, our green nature, our environment, our people, our children. So I always try to remove plastic from our environment, from nature, from green nature. And finally I will say, let's we all save our nature. I saw another old plastic here. Old plastic, really dirty, bad plastic. Bad plastic here, dirty plastic. I collected this plastic and threw in bag, but in bag রাখলাম। another plastic here, another plastic stuck in green grass, আটকে আছে। এগুলো আমি সংগ্রহ করলাম, দেখতে পাচ্ছেন। another plastic here, আটকে আছে মাটিতে। old plastic, this is old plastic, really bad. Friends, I will get here and try to collect polluted garbage and polluted plastic piece টুকরো। another plastic bag here, plastic another plastic টুকরো। plastic. Plastic. Friends, yesterday I cleaning this place. Today I again try to cleaning this place. Plastic product unused. Friends, let's we all save our nature, our environment, our children, our peoples, our green nature. Another plastic here. I saw another plastic here. Another plastic here. Plastic, old plastic, unused product. Dirty, really dirty. Another plastic here. Another plastic here. Friends, almost about full in back. Back প্রায় ভরে এসেছে, and my cleaning mission is finished today. You can see this garbage bag. I collected many polluted garbage and plastic. Now this bag threw in this dustbin. Now stop this bag. Friends, stop this bag. Now this bag threw in dustbin. Let's go. Friends, this our area's dustbin. This garbage bag threw in dustbin. Thank you so much, friends. This was my nature cleaning mission in Monday morning.